Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best cream color backpack on the market, the PRAGARI Kids Backpack for School. If you're looking for a stylish, lightweight, and functional backpack that's perfect for kids, students, and even adults, this one definitely deserves your attention. The PRAGARI backpack stands out with its beautiful beige color that's both trendy and versatile. Whether you're heading to school, traveling, or just need a reliable daypack, this backpack fits seamlessly into any setting. It's designed with a focus on youth, individuality, and confidence, which reflects well in its sleek and aesthetic appearance. Made from lightweight yet durable nylon, this backpack balances sturdiness with comfort. The material offers good breathability and heat dissipation, which makes carrying it for long hours more comfortable. The shoulder straps are padded and designed to reduce shoulder pressure, making it easier to carry heavier loads without discomfort. This makes it suitable for kids and adults alike who are always on the go. In terms of size, the backpack measures approximately 12 by 7 by 17 inches, providing a spacious main compartment that fits up to a 15.6-inch tablet or laptop. It offers ample room to carry books, notebooks, school supplies, and other essentials. Beyond the main compartment, the backpack is cleverly designed with multiple pockets. There are 3 front pockets and 2 side pockets, perfect for organizing smaller items like keys, cell phones, and stationery, while the side pockets easily hold a water bottle or umbrella for convenience. One of the key highlights of the PRAGARI backpack is its versatility. It isn't just for school use, it also functions well as a travel backpack, gym bag, or casual daypack. The neutral beige color complements most outfits and occasions, making it a practical choice for teens, women, men, and even younger kids over 6 years old. The backpack features premium quality metal zippers that add durability and security to your belongings. The attention to detail and quality control in the production process ensure that this bag is a reliable companion for everyday use. For anyone looking for a backpack that combines style, comfort, and functionality without breaking the bank, this PRAGARI model is a great option. Whether you need it for school, commuting, or light travel, it delivers on all fronts. Plus, the brand offers responsive customer service should you encounter any issues after purchase. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a reliable, lightweight, and stylish cream-colored backpack, the PRAGARI Kids Backpack is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.